Homemade full turkey grill cooking with village-style fried rice, step-by-step recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we take you to the heart of the village for a rustic, homemade full turkey grill and village-style fried rice. Get ready for a mouth-watering adventure. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. Fresh turkey, ingredients. Part 1, Turkey grill ingredients and preparation. For our full turkey grill, we'll need a fresh turkey, about 12 pounds. Let's take a look at the ingredients and preparations. 1. Turkey preparation. Demonstrates cleaning and patting dry the turkey. Season the turkey generously with a mix of salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and thyme. Allow the turkey to marinate for at least 1 hour. 2. Grill setup. Grill being prepared with charcoal and wood for that smoky flavor. Set up a drip pan for catching the delicious turkey juices. 3. Grilling process. Place the marinated turkey on the grill and cover it. Rotate the turkey periodically for even cooking. Baste with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs for added flavor. Part 2, Village-style fried rice ingredients and preparation. While our turkey is grilling, let's prepare the perfect side dish, village-style fried rice. 1. Ingredients. Rice, pre-cooked and cooled. Vegetables, carrots, peas, corn. Eggs. Soy sauce. Garlic and ginger, minced. Green onions, chopped. 2. Fried rice cooking process. Heat a wok or large pan with oil. Add minced garlic and ginger, followed by vegetables. Push the veggies to the side and scramble eggs in the pan. Combine eggs with vegetables and add pre-cooked rice. Pour soy sauce and stir-fry until well combined. Garnish with chopped green onions. Part 3, Serving and enjoying the feast. And there you have it, a mouth-watering full turkey grill and village-style fried rice. Our village feast is ready. Let's plate it up and dig in. 1. Carving the turkey. Perfectly grilled turkey being carved into succulent slices. 2. Plating. Arrange the turkey slices on a serving platter. Serve a generous portion of village-style fried rice on the side. 3. Final thought. Absolutely delicious. The smoky flavor of the turkey complements the savory goodness of the fried rice. This village-style feast is a true celebration of flavors and tradition. Here are some benefits of homemade full turkey grill cooking with village-style fried rice. Nutrient-rich turkey. When you prepare a homemade full turkey grill, you have control over the quality of the meat. Turkey is a lean source of protein, providing essential amino acids for muscle development and repair. It's also rich in nutrients like zinc, selenium, and B vitamins. Reduced sodium content. Making your village-style fried rice at home allows you to control the amount of salt and soy sauce used. This helps in reducing the overall sodium content of the dish, promoting heart health and minimizing the risk of high blood pressure. Fresh and wholesome ingredients. Homemade cooking allows you to use fresh and wholesome ingredients, contributing to a healthier overall meal. You can choose locally sourced, organic vegetables, making your fried rice a nutrient-dense side dish. No artificial additives. When you cook at home, you eliminate the need for artificial additives, preservatives, or flavor enhancers that are often present in prepackaged or restaurant dishes. Customizable flavors. Homemade recipes are highly customizable to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. You can adjust the seasoning, herbs, and spices to create a flavor profile that aligns with your personal preferences, making the meal more enjoyable. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more exciting recipes from our kitchen to yours. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much full turkey grill lovers.